I'll be showing you step by step how to remove the newsletter sign up form in the footer of the Shopify Dawn theme. If I go to a preview of my store here, it's currently running Dawn. At the bottom, we can see the subscribe to our emails for 15% off, and there is a email sign up form. So let's go and remove this now. So we'll start from our Shopify dashboard, and on the left-hand side, you want to navigate to the online store tab. From there, it should open up the theme section automatically. So next, you want to navigate to the customize button. If you click this, it will open up your Shopify theme settings, where we can customize just about everything you need in relation to the appearance of your theme. The section we want to pay attention to is going to be at the bottom here. So if I scroll all the way down, I can see my footer section. And if I click on this, this should open up the footer overall section. You can also access this on the left-hand side, and I can see footer and then my footer section. So if I click on this as well, it will create a new menu on the right-hand side here. We can see things such as our color scheme. In the section we want to pay attention to is the email signup section. So if you just uncheck this show email signup, that newsletter signup is now going to be removed from the footer section of your Shopify store. To finalize these changes, you want to go to the top right-hand side and click on save. If I go back to the theme preview we were looking at earlier and I reload the page, if I scroll to the bottom now, I can see it's now been removed and we've done exactly what we were looking to do. Before I go, I want to say that if you made any sales on Shopify, you know how hard it is to keep track of your profit. So you should check out our sponsor Profit Calc, the one-click profit calculator available for your Shopify store. It's a one-click calculator that syncs seamlessly with all your different ad accounts and many cost of goods sold options. You can find it in the Shopify App Store by looking for Profit Calc and then looking for this logo in the top left. There's also a link in the description below where you can get a 15-day free trial to test drive everything for yourself. So this was a short and sweet tutorial here. I hope you enjoyed it. If this helped, I would love it so much if you smash that like and subscribe button below. And if you have any questions, leave a comment. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.